she'll turn probably.
Yeah, she'll turn and go with the wind. Yep, tandem shot. Dead bird, Cutter. Cutter. Dead. Easy, 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 easy. Good boy, come on. Here, 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 come here. Hey. Be easy on him.
That was out there pretty good. We didn't mess that up too bad, did we?
No. I'll bet you that bird, after he set it, it probably flushed there. Is our camera rolling?
Yes.
There's one. There's one.
He hit the brakes and about drove his nose into the ground.
Yeah. He must have run right over top of that one.
He's got that between his feet, looks like.
Yeah.
You want to circle right again?
Yeah.
Oh, that's where he's looking anyway.
Yep. Whoa.
Looks like it's right there in front of you.
Yeah, I want to get a picture of that real quick.
Yeah, do it.
Whoa. Thank you, sir. Whoa, Cutter.
I'll kick it, you ready?
Yep.
I had no shot.
Yeah, he
Good
run
job.
right over it, didn't he?
Yeah.
Good boy, Cutter. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. All right, all right, all right. Got her. Whew. Put the pumping on that one.
Yeah, I had a chance right the first instant when she came up right here, but then I wanted to let it move out just a hair, and then he stepped right in there.
Hey, you hate to
Said,
shoot him
"No,
when
we ain't doing that."
you hate to shoot him at 6 feet, you know.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh man, this feels good out here.
Mm-hmm.
deer we look? I'm not sure, but I thought I saw him right up in the corner of this field set. Maybe. If he did what he said, we should have 3 quail in this field.
Yeah.
I don't think there's none out there. Unless he just... Right here, right?
Yeah. It's right here, Scotty.
Huh?
It's right here. Good boy, Cutter. Good shot, Scotty. Whoa.
He's fired up.
Come on, buddy.
Give out on me.
Good boy. You about rolled yourself over forward. Got it, boy. Go get that bird. Come on. Atta boy.
Tell you one thing,
You
right?
just can't get enough of that, can you? Good boy.
The more I shoot this gun, better I like it.
They're awesome guns, man.
Might not be no $3,000 shotgun, but I tell you what, it knocks the birds down.
You don't need it.
It knocks the birds down. Give him the pipe. That one was out there pretty good ways too.
Yeah.
For the, I guess that's the cylinder.
That's all you need for this type of hunting. Other thing is, even if you do have to shoot them a little close, it don't tear them up as bad. You know?
Right.
If you shoot one with a full or modified at 15 or 20 steps, they ain't nothing left to eat.
No,
you know?
that's cutter food there. If you will. Man, that dog black covers the ground. Golly.
In a hurry.
I ain't never seen an animal bird dog move like that.
Uh-oh.
Is he on? I see his tail up.
Yeah, he's on. I don't know why this
Well,
thing
he's
ain't.
moving, Ray. He quit again. No, there he locked up again.
I think that bird's moving. That's that same bird that.
Could we come through the ditch on you think?
Yeah, and I about guarantee you that bird's up and moving. Yeah. He can't quite pin it down there, can he? It's right there somewhere.
Yeah.
Look at him. You can tell it as he gets closer, he gets lower to the ground. He gets one like that.
right through here. We could pick this bird up.
Yeah. Yep. It is right. It's right here somewhere.
There it is, right left, right here.
Yep. Whoa. It's running, Scotty. Sweep way out to the left, I'll go way out to the right. We'll try to keep it in this field. Good boy, Cutter. Easy, Cutter, whoa. A little further out, Scotty. All right. Go ahead. It might be wounded.
I did, I hit it.
You hit him again.
That's good. Oh, it's dead. Dead bird.
Good boy, Cutter. Here, atta boy. Good boy. Good boy. That's good. Hey, that's good. That's good.
Yeah, let me get it again.
Let me have it again.
One more.
Good boy. Good boy. Here. That's, hey, it's my bird.
Go get another one.
Go get another one.
Go get you another one. Put it in there.
Go get another one, bud. Go get another one.